as we already know that a new Pixel lineup is coming very soon. This October, Google is expected to announce its all-new Pixel 8 series, including a new Pixel 8 Pro to succeed Google's current top-of-the-line phone. The Pixel 7 Pro, Google's new flagship, is expected to feature many improvements, but the general formula behind the tech giant's flagship phone remains unchanged. Friendly design language, sensible features, and last but not least, a very capable camera. However, the Pixel 8 Pro will face some competition since it won't be the only top-tier Android smartphone on the market. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of the best smartphones money can buy. With a super capable camera system, powerful hardware and setup, as well as a larger-than-life Amoled display and a built-in S Pen stylus, this Galaxy is the ultimate Android device. How would the Pixel 8 Pro compare? At this point in time, we don't expect Google to introduce any significant or otherwise major changes to the Pixel 8 series general design. That's why you can probably count on the fact that the Pixel 8 Pro will look pretty similar to the Pixel 7 Pro, with the signature camera strip at the rear and the slightly curved display. The phone is almost certainly scoring a bunch of new color options, namely Licorice, Porcelain, and Sky. Size-wise, the Pixel 8 Pro most certainly wouldn't grow and will retain the same size as its predecessor, so we are likely looking to a Pixel 8 Pro that will be mostly similar. At the same time, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will most likely remain the slightly larger and heavier phone, but it comes along with a larger 6.8-inch AMOLED display and also has an S Pen built inside, which is a mighty useful accessory, all things considered. It houses quite a lot of technology inside. While talking about performance, ever since the inception of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, Google has employed the services of its own custom line of Tensor chips. Unlike most smartphone chips, these don't really put the emphasis on raw performance, but are tailor-made to serve the Pixel's artificial intelligence and machine learning needs. As such, the Tensor chip is sufficient for most people's everyday needs and allows the Pixel phones to be as smart as they are, though they don't really shine in synthetic benchmark tests. The Tensor G3 is expected to be the chipset of choice on the Pixel 8 Pro, and it is quite unlikely to usher in a paradigm shift. Meanwhile, Samsung is putting all of its eggs in the raw performance basket, and this year the name on the basket reads Qualcomm and lacks the often dreaded by Samsung fans Exynos name. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset powering the phone in all regions is a slightly tuned version of the regular Qualcomm flagship and was exclusive to Samsung flagships. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is an absolute unit that delivers excellent performance, especially in graphics-intensive tasks, where this custom Snapdragon even outperforms Apple's top-notch A16 Bionic chip. The Tensor G3 beating the custom Snapdragon in terms of overall performance sounds like a pretty far-fetched idea. Then again, it will still be more than sufficient for all of your regular needs. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, as well as most of its direct predecessors, can easily be considered the phone when it comes to overall camera versatility. This is unlikely to change once the Pixel 8 Pro arrives, as Samsung's top flagship will still have more features and be the more versatile camera phone. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to feature a 50 megapixels main camera with a staggered HDR feature, which simultaneously captures both short and longer exposures of a scene, resulting in less artifacts and potentially great power savings. More interestingly, the Pixel 8 Pro will likely employ Samsung's ISOCELL GN2 camera sensor. There will be two extra cameras, an ultra-wide and a periscope camera, likely offering 5x optical zoom. This year, Google is introducing a lot new AI features to its camera department too, as we have already seen in its trailer, how Google focused mainly on its camera features too. In comparison with its predecessors, the Galaxy S23 Ultra delivers more detailed images, with more natural-looking pictures that lack that undesirable, over-processed look. Quality has improved both in broad daylight and low light on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's always a matter of preference, so we should leave this topic here to you. Talk about the battery life. Pixel 8 Pro is almost just like the one found on the Pixel 7 Pro. Paired with the Tensor G3, it should deliver decent battery endurance and outlast its predecessor, but it's of course too early to have any concrete expectations. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S23 Ultra easily outlasts its predecessor by a mile. It also beats the Pixel 7 Pro in our independent web browsing and 3D gaming tests. But the Pixel 7 Pro scored a victory in the video streaming test. Both have a different approach towards its usage, but we all knew about the overheating issues on the Pixel 7, which degrades battery life faster than usual. So we want the next gen to be at least a little cooler or should have a better heat management approach. Charging-wise, we expect the Pixel 8 Pro to come with 27 watts wired charging and up to 12 watts wireless charging speeds. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts 45 watts wired charging, which fills up the phone in a little over an hour, and 15 wireless charging, which tops up the phone in roughly 1 hour and 50 minutes. Overall, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is easily the most well-established flagship prodigy available on the market right now, with the most features among most of its rivals and overall delivering excellent value despite its very premium price tag. Could the Pixel 8 Pro successfully rival that? Of course, provided that Google perfects the overall package and prices its next flagship right, it could establish itself as the phone to get if you don't vibe well with the Galaxy ecosystem. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 8 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.